A crypto wallet offers up to $50,000 for finding errors in it. How to participate and what are the requirements? MetaMask launched a bounty program that seeks to incentivize the crypto community to find bugs in its operation. The range is from $1,000 to $50,000 depending on the fault detected. MetaMask became one of the most popular wallets within the crypto industry. Hundreds of thousands of people around the world use it to store their digital assets, and now they can also make money with it. This is due to a bounty program for which you can earn up to $50,000 for detecting errors in the operation of the wallet. This week, MetaMask announced the launch of HackerOne, a bug bounty platform that uses a deep network of cybersecurity researchers and penetration testers to find and fix bugs of all sizes across the internet. As indicated by MetaMask, the objective is for the community itself to make efforts to make it safer to operate with the wallet. And in that process, those who manage to detect errors will get a reward. For that, there will be a reward scale of $1,000, $2,000, $15,000 or $50,000 for those who find failures of low, medium, high or critical priority, respectively. If you ever identify a potential security vulnerability in MetaMask products or services, you can now submit a report through the HackerOne platform, they explained in the wallet networks. They added, "We want to continue building a safer and more accessible web. Feel free to get involved and make her safer with us." How to participate in the MetaMask program? Those who want to participate in the MetaMask program must create a HackerOne account. Once this step is done, they will be able to send reports about the detected errors. After submitting a report, please be patient while we process it and follow proper procedures, they warned from the wallet. In any case, it is pointed out that it is not enough to find a problem. Every detail of how it was arrived at should also be indicated. On the other hand, another point to consider is that the finding should remain private until it is resolved. If publicly disclosed before that, the person may not receive the reward. What is MetaMask? The Ethereum blockchain became one of the most widely used around the world. Several apps were developed on it, but the use of these decentralized applications used to be difficult for users. In this context, MetaMask emerged, a wallet that with a simple extension for the browser allows you to simplify the use of apps. In other words, MetaMask is a bridge between apps. By simply installing the extension, available for Firefox, Opera, Chrome, and Brave, it is already possible to use it and facilitate different operations. Those behind this process were developers Aaron Davis and Dan Finley, who started with MetaMask in 2016. Since then they gained relevance within the crypto world since the tool they carried out benefited hundreds of thousands of users around the world. How to participate in the MetaMask program? Those who want to participate in the MetaMask program must create a HackerOne account. Once this step is done, they will be able to send reports about the detected errors. After submitting a report, please be patient while we process it and follow proper procedures, they warned from the wallet. In any case, it is pointed out that it is not enough to find a problem. Every detail of how it was arrived at should also be indicated. On the other hand, another point to consider is that the finding should remain private until it is resolved. If publicly disclosed before that, the person may not receive the reward. What is MetaMask? The Ethereum blockchain became one of the most widely used around the world. Several apps were developed on it, but the use of these decentralized applications used to be difficult for users. In this context, MetaMask emerged, a wallet that with a simple extension for the browser allows you to simplify the use of apps. In other words, MetaMask is a bridge between apps. By simply installing the extension, available for Firefox, Opera, Chrome, and Brave, it is already possible to use it and facilitate different operations. Those behind this process were developers Aaron Davis and Dan Finley, who started with MetaMask in 2016. Since then they gained relevance within the crypto world since the tool they carried out benefited hundreds of thousands of users around the world. How to use the MetaMask mobile browser? One of the most useful features of MetaMask Mobile is its built-in browser. Instead of having to jump between MetaMask Mobile and a separate browser application, or even simply waiting to get in front of a desktop computer in order to interact with a given website, you can do it right from the app. We'll use the classic blockchain video game CryptoKitties as an example, but the steps are essentially the same for any Web3 enabled website. 1. Make sure you've selected the account you want to use. Tap on the 3 horizontal bars in the upper left-hand corner greater than tap on the account name and choose from the list. 2. Open the browser. Tap on the 3 horizontal bars in the upper left-hand corner, tap on Browser. 3. Open a new tab using Search Bar, or by clicking the magnifying glass icon, and navigate to the website or app you are interested in. As with most Web3 applications, CryptoKitties asks to connect to your wallet. Here's the real convenience of the MetaMask mobile browser. You've already selected your account, so it's all queued up and ready. With a tap, you can sign in with that account and start playing. Keep in mind that the browser is not as fully featured as a standalone mobile browser application such as Chrome or Firefox. There may be things that don't work. But if you're trying to mint an NFT on the go, or check out a new Web3 project that you might want to spend some time on later, it's just the right solution. How to set up MetaMask. Why do I need a crypto wallet to buy or sell NFTs? In order to buy or sell NFTs, you need a crypto wallet. NFTs are stored on the blockchain, and crypto wallets are the only way that you can access funds or assets stored on the blockchain. Your wallet will provide you with a secure way to access your NFTs, and they signify ownership over tokens that you mint or collect. MetaMask is a crypto wallet available as a browser extension and a mobile app that provides a simple way to connect with blockchain-based applications. This guide will walk you through the steps to set up MetaMask so you can begin minting or collecting NFTs on Mintable.app. You can set up MetaMask in 3 easy steps. Install the MetaMask browser extension. Create a new wallet. Connect your wallet to your Mintable account. Step 1. Install MetaMask. To get MetaMask on your browser, go to https://metamask.io/download.html. The MetaMask website automatically detects what browser type you are using and will display the correct version. At the moment, MetaMask only supports Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Click the blue Install button, which will open up your browser's extension store in a new tab. Chrome, Firefox and Edge use the Chrome Web Store for extensions. Firefox uses its own store, but the process is the same as with Chrome. Click on the Add Extension button, and it will begin installation. When MetaMask has been successfully added to your browser, a new tab will open that looks like this. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Click on Create a Wallet, and on the next page, choose whether you want to share usage data. This is not your personal data, it is information on how you use the extension that will help the creators improve MetaMask in the future. You can agree or not, it's completely up to you. Create a password, confirm your password, and agree to the terms of use. Click Create to make your wallet. The next page contains a video explaining what a secret recovery phrase is. Your secret recovery phrase is very important, so watch the video. Then click on Next. You will then be given your secret backup phrase as shown below. Your secret backup phrase is the only way you can recover your MetaMask wallet should you ever lose access to it or forget your password. I suggest storing your phrase in multiple locations, in case you lose access to one of them. Also, keep them secure. Anyone who has access to your phrase will be able to steal Ether from your wallet. Once you have copied your secret backup phrase to another location, go to the next page, where MetaMask will ask you to arrange the words from your phrase in the correct order. You don't need to drag and drop, just click each word from the bottom box in the right order. After you have finished this fun game reminiscent of your preschool days, you will see this. Congratulations! You now have a MetaMask wallet. Clicking on the blue All Done button will bring you to your wallet, where you can buy, send, or swap tokens. Step 3. Connect MetaMask to your Mintable account. Whether you're a creator or collector, connecting your MetaMask wallet is required to use the Mintable marketplace. While you can buy NFTs with a credit card on Mintable, you will still need to connect a wallet so that you have somewhere to store your NFTs. To connect your wallet, sign into your account on Mintable.app. In the top navigation bar, click on the blue button that says Connect a Wallet. When the site gives you a prompt, click on Connect a Wallet again, and MetaMask will give you the following pop-up. Select your wallet and click Next, confirm that you're connecting to the correct wallet, then click on the blue Connect button. Once your wallet has been connected, the pop-up will disappear. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now connected to your Mintable account. If you are having issues connecting your MetaMask wallet to Mintable, check if you have granted the following permissions in MetaMask by right-clicking on the MetaMask extension.